Beavers build dams using stones, sticks, and mud. The dams hold back water and create ponds that keep the beavers' home safe from predators. The dams also create wetlands that become homes for other animals such as fish, frogs, and ducks. Beavers have many special characteristics that help them build dams. Long, sharp teeth and powerful jaws to cut down trees, hand-like front paws to hold and move objects, and large, flat tails to help them swim and keep their balance.
Notice how the video has a beginning, middle, and end. The events happen in order. How does this help you understand the video? Use the words and pictures to find out what the beavers do before, during, and after winter.
We're here in the wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, observing nature's impressive architects and engineers, beavers. By creating this pond, they're preventing soil from being washed away, and they're creating a place where new plants and insects can flourish. Beavers think ahead and secure their food supply long before they'll need it. They drag these branches into the water where they'll stay fresh and accessible during the winter freeze. Flash forward to the winter freeze, when the frigid temperature has turned the mud and sticks into a secure shelter for the beavers. Each dwelling houses a single beaver family. Yep, with a mom and dad, and did I mention beavers mate for life? And each home has an elegantly designed passageway to the lake. Beavers are North America's largest rodent, and they're the only ones with skin flaps behind their teeth that allow them to haul branches without swallowing water. Notice how neatly the beaver eats, stripping the bark by turning the branch like an ear of corn. They're strict but voracious vegetarians and can even digest the cellulose that most mammals just can't handle. Flash forward again to the following spring, and spring has sprung a leak in the dam. So Dad stays with the young ones while Mom and her eldest son fix it up. This is lucky for all the other animals around because virtually the entire ecosystem is dependent on the dam and the resulting pond. Wouldn't it be great if we could all be as industrious and efficient as the eager beavers?